There are moments in life where you need everything to be just right. Meet Ember Light, a revolutionary product that makes automated lighting accessible for everyone. Screw it in, add any dimmable bulb, and your relationship with light changes forever. Imagine waking to a personal sunrise. Lights magically turn on as you walk, molding to your mood and your life. Be smart with your energy. Free yourself from your light switch so you have more time to live, dream, enjoy. Your home is your sanctuary, designed to fit you. That's why Ember Light works with what you already own. It's your space. We just connect you to it like never before. Through our cloud and mobile app, you can control your lights from anywhere. Oh, and don't worry, we'll let you know if you left the lights on.
Hi, I'm Atif Nouri, co-founder and CEO of Ember Light. I spent the last 8 years at Applied Materials developing many of the innovations that make the smartphone possible. I wanted to use that mobile connectivity to improve our everyday lives at home. So I created Ember Light, which turns any light into a smart light. We've assembled a strong team of experts in hardware, software, and design, and each of us has 10 to 20 years of experience.
Hi, I'm Steve Arnold, co-founder and chief design officer of Ember Light.
With Ember Light, we enhance your experiences with preset moods, proximity detection, and lights that bend around your life.
We want the ability to give time back to you. You walk into your house, the lights will go on, and it'll just do what you want it to do.
Mobile phones let us get a handle on our communication. It's time we use that same technology to get a handle on our home.
We've been prototyping for almost a year now, and we're getting ready for manufacturing. We're asking for your support so we can all share in Ember Light. In return for your pledge, you'll be the first to get Ember Light at home.
So join us.
Be a part of Ember Light.
Make your lights work for you
so you can focus on what really matters.
Right now, brains of enormous mass are attempting to convert the world to LED smart bulbs. Yet the majority of these smart bulbs have us doing one thing, using them for Halloween and monthly techno parties. Yes. And while techno Halloween parties are certainly groovy, it begs the question, why aren't we getting more out of these bulbs with brains? The answer is simple. Well, these lights offer every color under the sun. The ability to harness it in a way that makes us Michelangelos of our own home is like sending you a watercolor kit and telling you to paint the Sistine Chapel. That's why the men and women of Illumi Labs have created a smart bulb that doesn't require an interior lighting degree. They know we shouldn't have to worry about our smart bulbs. Our smart bulb should worry about us. When we're feeling down, they should make us feel well. We call that wellness lighting. And when you're on vacation, they make it look like you're home. We call that vacation mode. Catchy, I know. And whether you're getting home for the evening, have an armful of groceries, snuggling in to watch that entire series for the third time, need a nightlight monster detector, or having that annual Halloween techno party, these bulbs of wonder will be there when they're needed most. Jam-packed with brand new experiences. A killer new app. No, not that kind of app. A sexy new body. At a price we here at the lab call a square deal. So, if you're looking for the simplest, smartest, and brightest smart bulb in the world, think Illumi.
Hi, I'm Phil Boshua, one of the co-creators of Scambox, and I want to introduce you to my new Kickstarter project. I was thinking one day that the light bulb is amazing. It's probably one of the greatest inventions of all time, but it hasn't really changed much in the last 100 years. Switch on, light goes on. Switch off, light goes off. Not to mention how annoying it is when they blow. These traditional bulbs also use heaps of power, and those energy efficient fluoro globes have that cold white light that we all hate. So I started thinking, with all the technology we've got these days, surely there must be a better way. I mean, for starters, it's not like we get up to change the TV channel anymore, so why do we still do that with our lights? Well, 6 months
and that's going through your home network.
And more than a dozen prototypes later, we've managed to create the world's smartest, energy-efficient light bulb. We call it LifeX. LifeX is an energy-efficient, multicolour LED bulb that's controlled by your smartphone. Now for the first time, you have total control over your lights. But rather than yammer on anymore, I'll just show you how it works. Turn on one LifeX smart bulb or a group. Choose any colour. LifeX is dimmable. Get notifications. A night light for your kids. LifeX also has commercial applications. Get your lights to do things they've never done before. Visualize your music. Or maybe even do the robot dance. And if you're worried about losing your phone, LifeX also still functions like a normal light bulb. There's so many more uses for LifeX, like security mode when you go on holidays, matching the colour of your light to the colour of your room, turning lamps into smart lamps, great for photographers or just having fun and being creative. And LifeX saves you money. LifeX smart bulbs are super easy to install. All you need to do is remove your existing light bulb, screw in the LifeX smart bulb, download our free app from the App Store or Google Play, and you're good to go. Not to mention they last up to 25 years.
Hey, I'm Devin, founder of LightFreak. LightFreak is a Bluetooth light bulb with built-in HD audio.
Devin brought us an idea. He wanted to put a speaker into a light bulb. We thought that was brilliant.
The major difficulty was fitting all of it into such a tiny little package. You have to be able to put enough light and you have to be able to put enough sound that doesn't sound too tinny, doesn't sound too muffled, the voices sound clear. We wanted it to have as much bass as we could possibly put into it while still sounding great.
Something really pissed me out. I will walk around talking about it.
We have a lot of technology in here which allows us to do a lot of things. We can use it for an intercom, we can use it for a speaker system.
You can change the light temperature and the light color.
It does notifications, it can wake you up in the morning. It's just packed with technology and features. And I'd like to give you a demonstration. LightFreak works in tandem with your smart device, allowing you to get visual notifications. Receive notifications throughout your home or office, no matter where your device is located. The included app allows you to set different colors for notifications. You'll know what's important before you get up and walk to your smart device.
We want our homes to be brightly lit, but at the same time, we want our electricity bill to be as low as possible. An old-fashioned 100-watt incandescent light bulb did a great job at lighting our rooms, but it consumed 100 watts of electricity. The first revolution of lighting came with the compact fluorescent bulb. That produced the same amount of light, but did it with only 24 watts of electricity. This slashed energy consumption by 4 times. The next revolution of lighting is happening right now, with brand new LED lighting options coming to the market. However, these options are only slightly more efficient, don't produce the needed amount of light, and the cost turns most people away. The NanoLite is the first LED light bulb of its kind. The bulb slashes energy consumption much further by cutting it in half. Using only 12 watts of electricity, the NanoLite is able to generate 1600 lumens. This is the equivalent to a true 100-watt incandescent light bulb.
In designing the NanoLite, we took everything we know about traditional LED light bulbs and threw it all away. We then built the NanoLite from the ground up using science and engineering as the guiding principles. A truly efficient light produces much less waste heat, and this allowed us to completely eliminate the heatsink, something that no other manufacturer has dared to do. We also utilized printed circuit board technology to make the structural outer shell of the light and at the same time provide all the internal circuitry. These design innovations brought major cost savings, and we were then able to shift these savings into purchasing the most energy-efficient LEDs. Finally, a highly unconventional coating of the bulb allows better heat dissipation, which allows the bulb to run 20 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. You will never burn your hand if you touch this bulb.
Our ultimate goal was to create a light bulb with the highest efficiency in its class. With the NanoLite, we have finally achieved that. The cost benefit of the NanoLite depends on the type of bulb that you're replacing. To run 30,000 hours, a 100-watt incandescent bulb will have to be changed 30 times and will cost a total of $400 in electricity. A comparable CFL will need to be replaced 4 times and will cost $100 in electricity. The NanoLite will run reliably for the full 30,000 hours and will cost you only $50 in electricity. The shape is uniquely designed to illuminate light in the same way as a traditional light bulb. Rather than encasing the LEDs in a glass shell, the surface of the light bulb is designed to direct the light in all directions. We chose a color temperature that is the most versatile in your home and can be used in any room. The NanoLite produces a 4000K bright neutral white with a bit of warmth to make you feel comfortable, like in the evening sun. Once your NanoLite is installed in a household fixture or lamp, you will have beautiful bright light, and you can be proud that you're doing the right thing to make the planet more green.
We had a vision to make LED bulbs smarter, more fun, and more affordable for everyone.
We wanted to encourage people to conserve energy, and we wanted to build a platform for the next generation of smart technology.
And now our vision is coming true. The Q base station can stream audio and at the same time wirelessly control the brightness and color of dozens of Q bulbs. We founded BellLEDs to give everyone the tools to create and share personalized light and sound. This is the first system in the world to enable anyone to paint with light and sound at the same time. You can use the Q to create music and light playlists and share them with your friends. You can set up custom light and sound alerts for when you receive a tweet, an email, or something requiring your urgent attention. You can wake up to a warm sunset-colored light accompanied by your favorite music, or press a button and turn your living room into the perfect spot for relaxing, or concentrating on your favorite project, or a party. And let's not forget the best part, you. We said that it's our mission to bring people together to live brighter, smarter, and more colorful lives, and we're doing 2 things to make that happen. One is making the Q's platform open source, which means we're inviting you and the rest of the world to participate with us in collaborative creativity. What you've seen so far is just the basics, and we can do much, much more with your help.